all the conditioned souls have got these drawbacks. They have forgotten Supreme Lord. They have committed offense at the lotus feet of Supreme Lord. They want to enjoy this world. Supreme Lord constructed or built all these universes, worlds, and species, created species. For them, you go there and enjoy. You do not want me. You want to enjoy. 80 lakhs of species. 80 species other and 4 lakhs human beings. Go there. Because he has got love for his created beings. They do not want him to serve. They want to enjoy this world. So there should be such body through which he can enjoy. I created so many species. Now you have got this human birth, and God has given the power of discrimination between bad and good, eternal and non-eternal. Other living beings have got no such power of discrimination. They do out of instinct. Their life is not congenial for worship, but human beings can worship. But they have got this discriminating power. They can keep up non-eternal and can accept the eternal truth. So, all conditioned souls, those who become averse to Sri Krishna, his illusory energy enveloped them, and they are now considering, I am this body, I am born, I have got these material relations, all this, and all this through these material sense organ, material enjoyment. There is that I have got here now. Without his imparted power, you can do anything. As Swami Maharaj replied to a young chap when he said in American place, Swamiji, I don't believe God. But who has given you the power to say I don't believe God? If the power is withdrawn by Supreme Lord, can you say I don't believe God? How long your vanity will remain? Any moment you will get your end. This has come birth, you will come past death. And you have got such vanity. That is, you take shelter, you have got your weaknesses, you have got your drawbacks, I admit. But you take shelter to Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. He is all powerful. He will rescue you. You want to have contact with eternal truth? He is eternal truth. All existence, all knowledge, all bliss. Take shelter to him. Daivi chesha gunumaya mamamaya durattaya mamaja pradante maya metantaranti. In Gita it is said. Daivi maya, the illusory energy, when you become averse, you want to serve Krishna, that this material energy will envelop us. Of 3 primal qualities, Sattva, Tama, Guna. Then we get this non-eternal body, non-eternal relations, non-eternal sense organs, non-eternal things. And we are burning by 3-fold afflictions. So you have to take shelter. He is capable. You are not capable. No condition is capable. By his own power, he cannot cross over this ocean of cycles of births and deaths caused by illusory energy. But anybody, any person, or any living being, even Gajendra, when he took shelter, because it's good. Take shelter to me. देवी जी को माया माया विरक्ता है माँ में मुझे बोलते माया में तंत्र one will submit to me not only by words by action. To take shelter. I am of Krishna, I am not of this world. Sixfold Sharanagati. I am not in the world, I am of Krishna. And He is the only protector and sustainer. And all the congenial rules and regulations for devotion and to accept. The commandments of the scriptures, the commandments of Supreme Lord through scriptures, accept. And prohibitions are to be given up. That is taking shelter. You do it, then you are taking shelter. You have taken shelter. That you can get by the company of a bona fide sadhana. Even by reading and memorizing, you cannot get it. But that is the nature of the eternal real self within us. That is the person. The body is not the person.